Can I show you a brand new AI side hustle that complete beginners are using to make $300, $400, even $700 per day? And can I show you the exact tools, processes, and workflows that I use so that you can use them as well? Well, that's the challenge I've set for myself today. So we've got a lot to do. Let's dive in. All right, so let's first talk about what this business model is at a high level. So I've broken down this business model into a very simple 4-step process. Step one is I'm going to show you how to find customers, not having to cold call, not having to really go crazy at all. Show you an easy way to use a free tool you already use to find amazing customers. Next, I'll show you how to build them a beautiful modern website they'd be happy to pay $100 to $600 for in an instant. Next, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process of how to show it to them, sell it to them, and charge, again, $297 or up for the website, plus money every single month to keep it live. And lastly, I'll show you how to upsell them additional tools, services, AI platforms, so you can make continuous recurring revenue per customer. And if we haven't met, my name is John. Behind me are a bunch of plaques from the thousands of customers I've had into my own software company. And I'm going to show you the exact processes I use to grow my own business for free. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's dive in. All right, so step one is let's go find some customers. And what I love about this method is it is so stinking easy. You just go to Google Maps. And what I'll do is I'll just type into the search bar here a type of business you want to serve, like chiropractors, dentists, yoga studios, haircuts, whatever the case might be, restaurants, and near a particular city. It could be your city, could be any city, really. And as you all know, once you hit the enter button, it's going to pull up a whole bunch of businesses that fit that description. Now, what I'm doing is I'm scrolling down and I'm looking for something very, very specific. There's no phone calls involved. There's no real work involved. I'm scrolling down and I'm looking for one awesome signal. Boom. What is the signal we found here? What is missing? This guy has a website. This guy doesn't. So what this does is this shows you a place where this particular business is missing customers. It's missing a signal that means that it is a legitimate business. So we're going to go ahead and serve this customer right now. And no, you don't need to cold call them. You don't have to beg them for business or anything like that. You're going to provide what we call value in advance, which is going to rapidly improve your ability to make the sale because you're going to do the work already. And with AI, it's simple, it's free. Let's do it now. So step one, complete. Now we're going to go ahead and build them an actual website that could power their entire business in a heartbeat. Let's go. Now to do all this, I'm going to use a brand new AI software called AI Studio. Now, if you want to get access to a 30-day free trial of this, as well as my personal support to help you set all this up yourself, go ahead and comment the word AI down below in the comment section. I'll send you everything for free, including additional deep dive trainings just like this one. Now, once you're inside the software, we're just going to click on the AI Studio button, and let's go ahead and build something amazing. Now, here's an amazing hack. You don't need to know web design. You don't need to know anything really. All you need to be able to do is copy and paste. I'm going to click on the customer we want to sell, and I'll click on this share button right here. You can copy that link, and what's amazing is AI is going to build the website perfectly for this business with a copy and a paste. I'll paste the link in right there. Now I'll use a simple voice dictation software to be able to give it a prompt of what I want it to do. Now I'm going to go off the cuff, but if you want the exact copy and paste prompts you can use for any industry, they're all included in my bonuses if you sign up for this AI software. Again, comment the word AI down below and I'll help you out. I'd like you to extract the information from this Google Maps listing and build a professional, modern business website for this chiropractor. The branding should be dark blues and bright oranges. It should look very modern, generate all the imagery that you need. I'd like it to have a frequently asked questions section. I'd like it to have the ability to book an initial appointment and bring in all the data from the Google Maps listing to build a beautiful website that is worth at least $500 per month to have. So I've put that into my dictation software and I'll just paste that in right there and I will send off that request. And now what's happening is this is building out the entire website on its own based on a Google Maps listing. And we're going to verify all the facts once it's done building in just a second. And you can see here, while it's working, it's doing a lot of work. It's finding all the information about the business, it's generating the imagery for the brand, setting up the entire system, building the page for it, and even setting up a booking integration, which will be super valuable as a future upsell. An upsell is a simple word for you can sell more things to the same business and make more money. Even 6 months ago, if I were to try to do this, it would take me many, many hours. We're talking 8 to 12 hours to do one page like this with no guarantee of selling it. I'd have to sell it for thousands of dollars to be worth my time. But here, I've got my AI robot working for it directly. You can get a 30-day free trial to this and sell it and be profitable within the first week or two. All right, welcome back. It's been maybe 1 minute, literally, and we have a full website built. Now let's walk through what just happened because this is amazing. First and foremost, this imagery that has never existed before. This was generated by AI. So everything is brand new, never used before, not just stock footage. And there's some really amazing things that I want to call your attention to right now. This is where this is not just a template. This is a business website for this particular business. Why? Number one, 5-star top rated clinic. Did it make that up? No. Let's come back here to the website. 5 stars right there. So it actually pulled the reviews to make the website accurate. Not only that, let's look at the business hours. 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday are closed. Is that true? If I pull up the website on Google Maps, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, closed Saturday, Sunday. So this is why this is amazing. You don't have to even change things around. Oh yeah, little basic thing. Location and phone number. Location, phone number. Exactly right. This was all done. I have not done anything behind the scenes, no funny business. This was created in minutes. Again, this would cost at least $1,000 to build the old-fashioned way. You could get away with selling this for $297, maybe $397. And what's more is it's not just a pretty website. I can click one button and I can also add this to a calendar booking system. So when they say book initial appointment, it's actually going to add to a calendar. I'll take that away from this tutorial right now. I don't want to get too much into the weeds, but again, inside my bonuses, if you want to see how to upsell more and more content to these offers, I'll show you how to do all that step by step. Just comment the word AI down below. Okay, so I'm going to say step 2 is accomplished. But just to make sure you realize this is not just a one and done thing, let me show you how to make some edits to it. Let me ask for a little update through my voice here. This looks good, but let's make a few tweaks. Tweak number 1, let's change the orange accent color into a maroon red and add that throughout the website. And then number 2, let's add a section above the final call to action, and let's call it new customer special. And let's make up some verbiage where brand new customers get 6 weeks of free adjustments after their initial consultation, or something like that that sounds professional and shows the ability for the customer to make changes to their website. All right, so I'll go ahead and add this to my little voice dictation. And this is a conversation you're having with the AI agent who's building this website. So I'll just paste this in and we'll send that off as well. Now it's going to take just a few more seconds to make these tweaks to show you that you don't have to be afraid. If you sell this to somebody, to maintain it is equally easy. In fact, it even has some additional recommendations like add a services offered section or a patient testimonial section. So actually I want to add that too. Okay, a few seconds later, it's changed the color scheme like I asked it to, and it added in a new section for a new customer special. Again, just showing you how easy it is to use exactly your own verbiage. That's exactly what I said to do, but it makes it sound way better on the page. And as I look at this, I would be happy with this right now, but one thing that can absolutely set you aside from anybody else is adding real testimonials to this website, because right now this could still be a template that you just copy and paste, but check out this awesome trick. I'm going to go back to their listing here, and I'll click on their reviews. And I'm not even going to do any hard work of copying and pasting or anything. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this entire section here, and I'll save that to my desktop. Then I'll come back in, and I'm just going to drag that picture I just took right here, and I'll say add a testimonial section with these testimonials from their Google page. And I'll send that off as well. Now we're getting into like proper web design where this is really unique. I've never talked to this person before, but we'll build them a website that's better than most web designers can build right now on their own. All right, it says it's done. It thought for 19 seconds to add that in. So if I scroll down, look at that. Using the same color scheme, using the actual names of the customers and their actual words directly from their account. Like, I'm impressed. This is pretty amazing, right? This was a copy and paste of a screenshot. All right, I think at this point you realize this is pretty amazing. Now, how do we sell this? I don't need to tweak it anymore. It's awesome. So all I'm going to do is click over here where it says publish, and I'll say publish. Oh, we can also change the name. So let's say I want this to be Richmond Chiro for Richmond Chiropractic, and I'll just hit publish, apply the changes, and now the website is live on the internet. I can copy this, and I can go to a new tab, and I can paste it in, and this website is real. This is a real website. Now, of course, it's not their actual website, But this is something that you can send to them in a text message, in an email, in a phone call. You can say, hey, I got this website. I built one for you for free. Would you like to go live with it? So what I would personally do is I would take my cell phone. If you don't have any fancy software like I've got here, I would open up the camera on your phone. I would record a little video and I would show filming the screen with the website you just built. And you can say something very simple like, hey, my name is John. I saw that you didn't have a website and you have a great business with awesome reviews. So I went ahead and built one for you for free. If you'd like, just let me know. I'm happy to make it go live for you and we can make it live on the internet today. This is called leading with value in advance, and it opens up and it shows that you're not just like some sort of scammer. Like you literally have built them a website. It has their information. You can even say, oh, awesome job. I saw that Trish Stanley left you a 5-star review last week. Great job. This is so different from cold outreach where you're just coming across as desperate. You're showing them that like there is no filter. You've provided value at this point. Any business would want to have a website if they don't have one, especially one that already looks good and is showing up all their content accurately. So when they reply, you simply say, awesome. All you need to do is get access to your domain. It'll be only $297 to push it live, as well as $97 per month for the software itself. You get lifetime access to the software as long as you pay for it. And if you want, I can make changes on your behalf, or I can show you how to get changes as well. Now I'm doing this kind of off the cuff. I've got all the exact scripts inside of my bonuses. Once again, comment the word AI and I'll send that right your way right now. Now let's say they're interested in like, how do you actually make it live? That's one thing that freaks a lot of people out. So let me show you how easy it actually is. So this AI software actually works and integrates in with all the domain providers. So once you get access into wherever their richmondchiropracticsolutions.com is, all you have to do is click on publish one more time and I'll say add a custom domain. And I'll click on that button and I'll type in, I'm just going to call it Richmond Chiro. And I have some domains I use for tutorials. So I'll use homeofbacon.com and I'll say continue. And it is literally finding everything, getting it ready to go. And it will add this details right now. And I will authorize my domain. One click, authorize. And now it's verifying it. All right, so now it says that the custom domain has been connected. Imagine this would be their actual website if you had access to their domain. And you'll just say view site, and boom, we're here on their actual website, everything ready to go. The fulfillment took literally 3 clicks. And this would be worth $300 to $600 upfront, so you're getting paid for your work, as well as $97 per month to sell them access to this software. There's a bunch of additional tools you could use to make your outreach easier. Like this one here is called Dub, and it makes really cool animated preview of the video so they can see an actual website and see your face. I have all the different outreach tips inside of the training, inside my bonuses to help you make that even better. But this is enough, right? Okay, so that's exactly how I would sell them for, again, I'm putting 300 as a low ball because that's pretty low for a full website for somebody. Now, the final step is what additional tools and services can you upsell them once they're already a customer? And that's where things get really exciting because just getting them into the software is one thing, but then you can do things like configuring up their entire online payment portal. You can set up AI agents, which basically means that you can have somebody answering the phones, picking up their live chat, being on their chat widget day in and day out. You can build for them the ability to add all of their information to a knowledge base so AI can answer the questions exactly like the customer. If you notice that they don't have a ton of reviews, like a perfect upsell for this customer here, they only have 6 reviews. Yes, they're 5 stars, but they won't rank highly on the list unless they get more reviews. So I would easily upsell them what's called reputation management, where you can link up to their Google business profile, and every time a customer comes in, it automatically sends them a request for a 5-star review, and it does all the competitor analysis. Any one of these services can be added on for $200, $400, $600 additional dollars, depending on the service. And you can get recurring revenue from every customer, all from this initial foot in the door of building them a beautiful website. You can set up powerful automations using AI, where every time somebody requests information, you put them on an automated sequence. All of these things are possible. I don't want to go into too many details right here. I just want to prove to you that this is not a $200 business. No, this could be a $2,000 per customer business over time as you get a customer in and add additional services to it. And the beautiful thing is as well, I'll just leave this here for you to kind of chew on. Services is not the only way you're going to make money. You're going to make money at least 3 different ways. Way number one is by offering services, building them the website using AI or setting up a certain system for them. Method number two is selling them access to the software itself. So this Go High Level tool allows you to actually brand it as your own. For example, mine is branded freedomkit.ai, and I have over 2,000 paying customers inside my software. So I get paid every single month for that as well. And thirdly, and this is where it gets really exciting, is you can actually mark up the cost of sending emails, of sending text messages, of using different tools, of registering a phone number, all these things that any business really wants and needs. And you can make a little bit of profit just from them using the software you've already sold them. So this in combined is, I think, the absolute best side hustle for beginners because number one, I didn't do anything technical. I clicked a few buttons and I talked into my microphone. That's all I did. And I built a real website that is live and ready and accurate information for a real business that is doing business every single day. This is huge. And number two, you can get started literally for $0. Normally in Go High Level, you get a 14-day trial. I've extended that. I've doubled it with them. I'm one of their premier affiliates. And so I have a double length trial. Not only that, so you get a full 30 days to make your money back easily before you ever have to spend anything. So by day 31, you already have a profitable business and you've never paid anything for the software. And additionally, I'll also help you get started. I'll hop on a call with you. You can join in my community. I'll give you my entire library of training, all my templates, all my snapshots, which basically are businesses in a box ready for you. And that will be delivered to you immediately if you comment the word AI down below and sign up for your own 30-day free trial. I have nothing to sell you. I'm not selling courses anymore. We've made our money with courses. We're happy with that. Now I just want to give back. And these things are so exciting. I want to help everybody get up and running with this AI business because I think it's the absolute future for so many people to have a flexible work from home as well as future focused and future proof business. This is the way, guys. So go ahead. If you enjoyed this video, if I gave enough value for you, please like the video. It helps me out so much. Subscribe to the channel because I've got tutorials like this coming out all the time, as well as comment the word AI down below. I'll send you everything you need to get up and running completely free right now. That's it for me, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.